Oh, I'm snagged on a tree.
Oh, nice. Stickfish. A big one. God, it started moving and I was like, whoa.
Yeah.
Had me for a minute.
But yeah, when I sat on it and it moved, I was like, oh, that's a...
Sweet.
I was like, that's got to be a snag because it wasn't shaking at all.
Bring that structure out here and drop it. We'll...
I know.
We know where it is later.
Man, that had me going though. I sat and there's all that resistance.
Good.
Oh,
Get him.
fish on.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Fish on.
That's a big one.
Oh.
Oh no, it just looks good. Nice one though.
Yeah, it is. Woo! Jig popped off right in the boat. Huh?
That's a 3-pounder. Maybe 2.5.
Yeah, I'd say about 2.5. Yeah, first fish at this lake, baby. Thanks. Come on, get in there. $2.91.
Yeah, see, 3-pounder.
Almost 3 pounds. Alright.
How come 3-pounders look so small now?
I don't know, it's because we started the year with big ones. Alright, give it a little more oxygen.
You want a picture? Or what?
Yeah, I do. Alright, 2.91 pounds. Good way to start the day. Hopefully we'll get in some more black and blue jigfish again. Man, this water is cold and this fish is ice cold. Ready? Yep, there he goes.
Wow.
Straight back to where he came from.